Shout out Abner, man. Let's get started, bro. Shout out my man Luis too, bro. Dang. Dang. Look. Look. I don't need no little bitches, cause all they do is bring all these problems to me. And your girl, she say she love me, she say she want me to fuck, and I tell her, hold on girl, you need to get to the back of that line. Look, I am so raw like uncooked food. Try something and I will just murder you. Think I'm playing games, got the Versace on, got that Gucci belt on, man, my swag is too strong, yeah, put a gun back, let it clap, now bow down, oh wait a second, your body just collapse, man, and I stay counting all them stacks, I swear I'm out of this world, out of my mind, but fuck this shit, I'm back on my grind, look, same watch every day. You wonder why you can't get pussy, you might as well go gay. Look, I say whatever I wanna fucking say. I smoke that loud pack so I can't even hear you anyway. Look, shout out to my nigga Abner. He get your girl, she busted open. Got that girl, she soaking and she stroking and she choking. I don't care, I got the skills that you lack. Fuck that shit, my bank account is kinda fat. Look, talk about the paper, it must not be about me. Niggas talking shit, I don't care, I ball all day like LeBron and Wade. Begging on these niggas, showing on these niggas, pulling on the triggers, getting this money, and your girl say my dick bigger, so what the fuck nigga, you ain't on this shit, so you need to chill, bitch. Rep my shit is so nice, smoke that loud, you're damn right, it's so loud, but I do whatever I wanna do all the time. Fuck this shit, nigga, I don't need to waste my time, but the flow that I spit, it's just so sick. So I swear I'm contagious, fuck it, I'm just outrageous. And you niggas wanna play this, cause you know I'm so nice. Fuck that shit, I kill this bitch, you know that damn right,